This memory palace contains all the parts and pieces of French grammar, and serves as a table of contents for other memory palaces containing the details of those parts and pieces. In other words, this memory palace links together a whole series of memory palaces designed to contain the entire grammatical system of French. Explore the space and create mnemonic images for each part of speech. For example, I think of an apple for nouns because it reminds me of Adam and Eve going around and naming things in the Garden of Eden. A typewriter reminds me of articles. In this way, you can quickly learn to remember the parts of speech within French grammar. Let me take you around and show you all the different elements in this memory palace. Over here on the left, we have the parts of speech that concern things. These include nouns, the names of things, articles, words used to specify things, adjectives, words used to describe things, and pronouns, words used to stand in the place of other things. Across the space on the other side, we have the parts of speech related to action. These include verbs, words for actions themselves, and this is broken up into 3 different sections. We have the conjugations of the regular and auxiliary system, we have verbal usage, and we have irregular verbs. Next, we have adverbs, words used to describe actions. We then have an area for the other parts of speech that connect pieces together or add additional details. These include prepositions, which show the relationships between things, conjunctions, which link different pieces together, particles, which in the case of French includes interjections, fillers, and swear words, and numerals, the words and patterns used for describing numbers and ordering elements. Finally, we have 2 different locations related to pulling all of these parts and pieces together. We have syntax patterns, which describe the main order of elements for different types of sentences in French, and we have constructions, which are set patterns for expressing certain types of information, such as need, obligation, or desire. These 12 parts and pieces correspond to the 12 major sections presented on Linguisticator's map of French grammar, and explained in our online course for French. While it is useful to have a good sense for all the different component parts of French grammar, the real value of this memory palace comes through the organization of other memory palaces. Each of these positions can be turned into a portal to link into separate memory palaces for nouns, verbs, conjunctions, and so on. In this way, we can link all the parts and pieces together, but keep the vast spaces required for the total grammar of French distinct and separate in our minds. This memory palace is free to download from Munx VR's store. Munx VR is Linguisticator's software for building memory palaces in 3D and virtual reality. Please see the description below for more information on our software and our online courses in memory, French, and other languages. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more memory palaces for languages and other subjects.